Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope we are live and we'll be having a look into the market. I think everything is fine. We will be having a look into the market, how market has performed today. This today's daily candle. What we was anticipating from the market to perform today, go down or maybe bullish, everything. And we will all the way go to 1 minute time frame as well on a price action in the New York session morning time, 9:30. After 9:30, market left all of those highs, come back down, knock all of those lows, and then it went at this point when I was like, all of those I was not confident on. It was already going down, but it aggressively go toward upper side and be bullish from there. This was very difficult um, to trade on, considering the fact that at this point you are bearish. When you are bearish, it is bullish. Not an easy market to trade. Still, there's volatility on a market. We'll discuss everything in this live stream, and we will start with the daily time frame on the market. So overall, we knew that we are more of like going down. Just this price action. If you try to understand, this is a previous major high. Market is trading below this low, below this high. So we are still bearish. We can anticipate these lows could be knocked for the bearish case overall because we are bearish. Or it is also possible that from here market hold this area. This could be the bottom, market hold this area, and then could be not going all the way to the upper side, knocking all of those highs as well from here. This is the thing. Right now, I am thinking about this is the thing we have to like discuss right now. How it is possible that market could perform on certain levels and a price action. So you know that this is the daily fair value gap market has created. This is also for daily fair value gap as well. Market has inverted this fair value gap already a level of spot. This is the daily fair value gap market has created. Up till now, market has shown rejection from this daily fair value gap or 50% of the range as well. And if we try to understand from here, for example, market has to be bearish to knock all of those lows. These three lows, today's low, all of those lows, we can anticipate from the market to go reason for the market to be going down to this daily fair value gap as well. This is what we have been anticipating for the market to do, come back down, knocking all of those lows to this daily fair value gap on daily time frame. Uh, Today as well, I was anticipating for the market to just go toward upper side and then go down, but it seemed like it may close bullish. Tomorrow as well, I would anticipate from the market open at this range. It is possible that it could knock these two local highs, and then for the bearish case scenario, I would anticipate from the market to be going down, try to knock all of those lows as well to this area for downward side, and this area will be bullish, looking for all of those highs from the market. This is the thing right now, and I am anticipating or watching from the market for the bullish case scenario. The way market has been holding these red candles, which are the bullish order blocks as well, it is also possible that market has been holding with this level for quite a while. It should not have to go below this low for the bullish case scenario. It should have to open. It could come down a little bit. Maybe it should not to go not to go below this low as well. Just go down, come back down, hold the level, and it should have to go toward upper side. Inverting this level and closed above, we will anticipate for all of those highs from the market to be knocked. This is the thing I am in a more of like concern thinking about from the market to perform for the could be for the bullish. Maybe it is also possible market closed above the 50% of the range today, holding up for level of 50% of the range. We will be bullish on the market looking for all of those highs to these areas. But overall, as I've been telling you, I'm anticipating a local top at this range. This could be the local top. Maybe it is possible. Could go to the upside from make and create another high below this high, and then come back down, inverting this level for all of those lows to this daily fairly gap as well. This is the thing I am in a more like concern thinking about from the market to do on daily time frame. Bearish case scenario, all of those lows, we could knock those highs, open go knock all those highs. You not have to go above this high. It's good to go down, knocking all of those lows tomorrow. Possible. For bullish case scenario, not to go below this low, open go down. Maybe not to go below this low as well. Open go down and try to close above the 50% of the range, and then try to knock all of those. Today, if we close above 50% of the range, we will be bullish as well for all of those highs. This is a more of like a thing we are anticipating for the market to perform right now. And on 4 hour time frame, if we watch out the price action, there has been not really nothing on our charts. This is the 4 hour time frame gap at this point. So we have been trading above this 4 hour time frame gap. This is the lower level of this daily fairly gap as well. So from here, because market has inverted this 4 hour time fairly gap, we will anticipate from the market to go to the upper side, inverting this level, trading above 50% of the range or upper level. We will anticipate all of those highs. Still, for bearish case scenario, market maybe at this point market could create local top and then come back down as well for all of those lows from the market to be knocked to this daily fairly gap as well. This is the thing I am in a more of like concern thinking about from the market. If, for example, market has to be going down to knock all of those lows. On 1 hour time frame, if we try to understand 4 hour time frame, we are anticipating for the bullish case scenario just these two highs, or for bearish case scenario these three, all of those lows in this area could be the reason for the market. Maybe it has not to go below this low, possible it could go come down, hold there again, and then be bullish as well for all of those highs as well. If you watch out 1 hour time frame, for bullish case scenario, you can anticipate these two highs. This is the daily highs as well. This low and this low, or maybe these lows as well. For the bearish candle, if it has to be bearish, as we're trading below the 50% of the range, we should it is possible that it could knock these two highs, get it high to these highs, come back inside the range, show rejection from the 50% of the range, and then we can anticipate all of those lows to this area, a daily fairly gap for the bearish case scenario. Or we can also anticipate that maybe market has to be bullish from here, and then it should not have to go below this low, above go up above, hold up for level 50% of the range, and then try to be bullish of all of those highs as well. This is also possible. We cannot deny this from the market. Considering the 30-minute time frame, if you watch out the price action, uh, we can anticipate the bullish case scenario these two highs, not this high I'm anticipating for 30-minute time frame. How it could be bullish? Because it has hold the low level of this daily fairly gap. You have to invert this, go toward above the 50% of the range, and try to knock all of those highs and create high at this range from here. So rejection from this level, then we will anticipate trading at low below the low 50% of the range at low level. We will anticipate all of those lows from the market to be knocked for the bearish case scenario on 30-minute time frame. So there's nothing on a chart at this point. We don't need to highlight, but we'll keep in mind this fairly gap market has created welcome toward upside from here. 15-minute time frame, you can anticipate these highs or 50% of the range for the bullish case scenario. We have this 15-minute time frame gap as well. I want to go to this chart right now from 15-minute time frame. We'll discuss this, and then we'll discuss morning session, and then I will close the stream. I have to sleep and wake up early in the morning as well to go for work as well. It's been crazy days going on. This is a 15-minute time frame gap as well. Market has created at this point. If you try to draw this level, oh shit. Oh, what happened to my mouse, bro? Why it's not working? Why it is getting more of like this? It is getting frustrating, bro. So this is a 15-minute average gap market has created at this point. We can anticipate all of those these two highs to this 15-minute average gap, which is a 50% of this daily fair gap as well. From here, market to be bullish or market to be going down to try to disrupt for bullish case and all of those highs, create high this range, try to be going down to knock all of those lows. Maybe this could be the high market not go up. This could be the high as well market not go above this high from here going down and then try to bullish as well later on. This is also we can anticipate from the market it could perform. So wanted to jump into 1 5 minute time frame right now. We're trading very close to those levels. I am anticipating this inefficiency 1 2 3 lows to this inefficiency from the market. If it has to go down, let's see if it has the potential to do that. And then at this range, we will see if market continue to be going down or creating a lower high at this point, and then try to bullish as well. And if you jump down into 1 minute time frame, we still have 1 2 3 lows. This 5 minute time frame gap. We will have a look into that if market has to be bearish all of those lows to this 5 minute time frame gap as well. And this Friday as well. For bullish case scenario, we'll see how the market could perform. Let's see how the things will play out. We don't know. We are just watching and observing the charts right now. This point when it was going to the upper side from here, I was like, this is the high I'm aiming for, which was yesterday high. It left this high, come back down as well toward downside as well. And this is a 4 out of fairly gap as well as we are trading above this 4 out of fairly gap. We can anticipate all of those highs, daily highs as well. And it is also possible that these 1 2 3 4 5 these lows could be the reason for the market to be going down as well. It'll be great if market come down trading below low level 50% of the range, then we will look for all of those lows. Otherwise, as long as we're trading upper level of this range area, we can anticipate all of those highs, this high as well. Maybe further upward side per second as well from the market to those areas. We'll be having a look into the market, and I quickly wanted to jump into today's after the opening price action what the market has done. At this point, this was a look at this all of those highs market has created very close to each other. Market opened at 9:30 at this point. It was very sideways, went toward upper side, come back down. This is a 1 minute after value gap invert this at this point. Yes, look at all of those highs. I was bullish at this point. Like it has inverted this 1 minute after. I was like from here it has to go toward upper side, knock all of those highs. But look at this is show rejection when they come back down, inverting this 1 minute after really got show rejection from the 50% of the range, then going down, down and down, knocking all of those lows as well. This point which could have been a short, it would have been not at all a good shot. The reason is because it is not easy to trade this per second or downside because all of those highs very close to each other, and you can anticipate at any point we can be bullish as well, and we are trading above the 50% of the range. And after that market, sorry guys, let me check if you guys can, if I'm live. Sorry guys. I think we're live. I hope so. And this is what we were discussing. And that point, like from here, when it was going down, and we have all of those lows very close to each other. We have all of those lows very close to each other could be knocked. Then we're all anticipating low. We could anticipate because it has aggressively going down from here, and then continuation to downward side we can anticipate. It is difficult to definitely buy this point considering the fat market could reverse completely, go to the upper side, hold the 50% of the range, and then be bullish as well. At this point, it's difficult to buy because we have aggressively going down. But when it is inward, create this 15-minute hourly gap, gonna hold the 50% of the 4 hour gap as well. Then you can buy as well at this point to knock all of those local highs to this area. This could have been a very good buy at this point, and this could have been a very good short at this point. This is the thing we are anticipating or expecting for the market to perform right now. There are many possibilities, many probabilities do occur, but sometimes I went into aggressive. Today's per second, like overall, if you watch out like that, this point when it closed above, like it should have to be bullish talking all of those. I took aggressive entry at this point, went down from there, and then I reversed my position and closed my position, and then go for a short. We was looking for all of those. I took my profit, most of the profit at this range, and then clo- close at this point. I've done today's for me like today. Yes, we end up the day in a positive. We in a positive. We lost initially, but we end the day with a positive account. But it was not at all a good trade for me. I have not taken a very good trade on both of those trades. I would say that I was just it would have been not an easy trade from here to going for a short and then buying upper level 50% of the range for all of those highs. Not an easy trade to take right now. So we are just watching and observing. We have this is the major low, this is the major high, these are the local lows. As it's going down, I'm anticipating him just tap into that and then try to knock out all of those lows as well at this point. We will see how the market will perform from here. Could be going down from then go up, could go up, then go down as well. Any kind of per second we can anticipate from the market to perform from here. Let's see how market will do, how market will perform at this range. I'm sleeping too much. Literally in my hours, like my sleeping, and I don't know actually what I'm talking about. I forgot about every 2 minutes after I forgot what I say, and then I continue my conversation. I don't know. Quite tired. So I went to the gym after come back from 12 hours, 16 hours of work, and then not so easy. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Uh, yeah, and have a look into the market and to trade safe.